The lecture method of teaching has been highly criticized in recent years is not the most effective method of teaching and learning, but I think there's a place for it. We've been told that we're not the sage on the stage, or we shouldn't be, that that's not beneficial to the students. But when I walk into the classroom, I'm the only sociologist, so I am the only expert there. And I think we have to remember that. On the other hand, in an introductory to sociology class, they don't know sociology. And before they can have, active debates and good, intelligent discussions, they've got to have, they got to know some basic concepts. And I can do that with lecture. So I don't think the lecture needs to be thrown out. I think the lecture just needs to be improved so that you keep the students' attention and that they're engaged in that learning process. And I think there's many ways you can do that. Probably, most importantly is to keep changing it up. We know the research varies, whether it's 10 minutes or 20 minutes, that our minds start wandering. So change it. Talk for 10 minutes, ask a question. Talk for 10 minutes, show a video clip, but keep their minds active.
Throughout lectures, I think that it's important for instructors to break up lectures. Lectures are okay, there's absolutely nothing wrong with them, as long as there is a certain break where you have students then engage in some way. They might turn to someone and paraphrase what's going on. They might do an activity with the lecture. They might stop and write down a question that they have, write a synopsis of it, a short 1-minute writing, share it with another person, and then come back to the lecture, ask questions. But the idea is variety.